Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Madison County, Southern Delaware County, Northern Henry County, Randolph County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.75 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Muncie, Anderson, Winchester, Yorktown, Union City, Chesterfield, Daleville, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Selma, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Mount Summit, Lissettville, Modoc, Springport, Loudsville, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Summit Lake State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, Madison, and Randolph. At 6 p.m. at Indianapolis, a thunderstorm was reported.